Attention. This is an alert from the National Weather Service. The Charlotte metropolitan area is at low likelihood to possibly see some wintry mixed precipitation Sunday morning. Total snow accumulation may reach 1 to 2 inches. People, this is serious. A snowstorm of this size is predicted to freeze the entire sewer system. I repeat, your toilet will be a big block of ice and unusable. Please hoard your regional supermarkets for toilet paper. Your only way of going pee or poo is to make a little teepee nest in the corner and make little poo eggs. While you are at it, please buy all the bread there is. People are planning to be locked in their houses for a while, so it's logical to buy the food item that perishes the quickest, right? Maybe everyone just has a fancy hobby to make croque monsieurs, I don't know. Anyway, despite this wintry mix probably melting by 11 a.m., there may be a time the roads have a dusting of snow. For your safety, stay off the roads. It's going to be like a bunch of sugar-high toddlers out there. God forbid people actually slow down and drive the speed limit. In anticipation of this cataclysmic event Sunday morning, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools will be closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Bless your hearts. This concludes the alert from the National Weather Service.